Thank you, Lina. And hello, everyone. It's my honor to have the opportunity to share with you CICT's research on performance improvement of 5G network. As we know, in 5G era, network becomes more complex, but meanwhile, the combination of AI technology and 5G will greatly change the network ability. How to use AI to optimize the collaboration between cells and finally improve the performance in complex 5G network is my topic today. Okay, next. As mentioned above, we can see that with the deepening of 5G large-scale construction, the network construction tends to be complex. The traditional network construction, maintenance, and optimization mode cannot fully meet the requirements of network evolution. At this time, through the integration with digital technology, the use of AI can improve the efficiency of network resources and reduce the operation cost. Therefore, we believe that the combination of 5G and AI will be a hot issue to continuously improve the network capability. And it's also an important path to fully realize the autonomous network. Another thing, from the perspective of current network deployment actual situation, we can find the multi-band, multi-SIM, and multi-system connectivity. 5G network has achieved a certain scale of continuous coverage, and it's difficult to meet the performance improvement requirements only by relying on the performance optimization of a single cell. So information interaction, collaborative optimization, and the joint scheduling among the cells are one of the development direction of 5G network performance improvement. Based on this, CICT Mobile put forward solutions for full collaboration, such as scheduling optimization, macro and micro collaboration, multi-point collaboration, mutual energy saving between cells, and combines AI, big data, and other methods with specific algorithms to further improve the level of network intelligence and overall performance. Different solutions mentioned above are applied in different scenarios, like the single layer and the multi-layer network, indoor and outdoor network, and day and night network. Of course, different scenarios make different network problems and needs. When we focus on single layer network, which is more common in reality. Firstly, let's look at the same frequency networking of macro station and micro station on the single layer network. Due to the high transmission power of macro station, it's easy to cause interference to indoor user. The interference collaboration between the macro and the micro station is carried out through three dimensions of time domain, frequency domain, and space domain. The AI energy can intelligently judge the distributed state of users and dynamically coordinate the time frequency domain scheduling, structured, and beam avoid of indoor and outdoor stations. Take the time domain as an example. We introduce the AI judgment system to form a closed control loop between the indoor and the outdoor base stations. When the AI system detects that there is an indoor edge user, which is subjected by strong interference of the outdoor station, and the outdoor base station is suitable for subframe closing, the AI system will command the outdoor base station to close some subframes. And then the indoor will be notified to distribute the closed subframe resource for the Windows user. In this way, spectrum resources efficiency can be improved. Secondly, let's see the scenario that when user move between single layer network. The traditional AMC coding mode and the modulation mode are selected by channel quality and the ACK or NACK feedback. CICT Mobile launched the AMC Intelligent Judgment Solution, which introduced big data technology and can accurately correct the scheduling parameter and based on the grid information between cells, so as to make the scheduling MCS close to the optimal MCS. Firstly, based on the big data fingerprint database, the attributes of each grid area can be extracted, such as good point area, interference area, or switching band area. Secondly, combined with the longitude and latitude information, the terminal motion trajectory can be predicted based on AI algorithm. So advanced MC decision can be implemented. In the meantime, for user service type, such as voice or data type, differential CQI step correction factor is introduced to better match user perceived needs. We all know that the improvement of network energy consumption is a hot issue in the current 5G network. At present, the parameter in the energy saving solution of traditional network level, such as energy saving timer, long estimation, and energy saving algorithm, are mainly determined manually and figured in advance. This static energy savings strategy needs to be balanced between network performance and network energy saving. It's difficult to personally match the needs of different scenarios to improve the energy saving effect. The introduction of intelligent method and multi-cell collaboration can minimize the impact on network performance through intelligent prediction and interaction between cells. Dynamic adapted to the needs of different scenarios and improve the energy efficiency of the whole network. Generally, in the single layer network scenario, the use of energy saving technology is relatively limited in the scenario. CICT Mobile proposed the energy saving solution of Lighthouse Station for in-depth optimization. On the one hand, it can realize intelligent energy saving prediction, use the historical data for pre-processing and training, so as to select the station that can be shut down dynamically, accurately, and in real time, and give the recommended values such as energy saving time and the threshold. On the other hand, after some stations are shut down, in order to ensure the basic coverage capacity under the single layer network and reduce the loss coverage performance caused by energy saving, AI algorithm can be used to optimize the cell parameter of the reserved lighthouse station and give suggestion on the parameters such as personally power and the industrial parameters of the base station, so as to improve the acceptance capacity of the lighthouse station's control channel and ensure the basic service experience. Next, under the multi-layer network scenario, the information interaction between the coverage layer and the capacity layer can be used to further improve the energy saving effect of the tidal creek effect scenario. It can provide basic guaranteeing for 5G business And moreover, the introduction of intelligent methods can make the network energy saving solution more flexible. Based on the network MR or MDT report, the AI intelligent common coverage and identification is completed by the scenario coverage identification algorithm. Based on load forecasting of historical bit data and the real-time data of the current network, the intelligent energy saving scheme can give the energy saving time, closing capacity, station information, resource threshold information, energy saving switching target cell information, and etc. Multi-layer cell can exchange load and energy saving information through turn interface. So it can actively and dynamically migrate capacity station users service to the coverage layer. At the same time, the covering layer can continuously monitor the load, trigger AI judgment, realize interstation coordination, wake up energy saving station in time, and issue the user experience in the layer. Okay. Another important topic under multi-layer network is the improvement of spectral utilization and the algorithm implementation efficiency. By combining with the intelligent fingerprint database, technology such as faster subscriber configuration, faster handover under weak coverage, and MU faster pairing can be realized to optimize the cell cooperation architecture. For the area with good signal, for example, if the SRP or signal of the adjacent area in the fingerprint database meets a certain threshold, the optimal subscriber can be matched for the CA used automatically and quickly, which can save the measurement time. For the area with cell edge which have multi-adjacent cells, or the area with high incidence of quality handover, we can use historical data of handover success rate and channel quality information in the fingerprint database from a faster handover rule. This rule can reduce the measurement needs and enhance the user experience in these areas. In addition, the longitude and the latitude, SRS measurement, AOA, and other information can be reported by the user in real time. We can compare this and the historical information, which tells us the time, frequency, resources, and the areas of MU pairing with high success rate. Then the measurement can be simplified to form a joint MU faster pairing to improve the efficiency of user pairing. Okay, with the continual expansion of 5G cell scale and user in the future, distributed cell collaboration will not fully meet the requirements of network performance improvement. We believe that the combination of centralized and distributed cell collaboration will greatly release the potential of network. It will continuously improve the effect of network optimization. Logically, we can build a new processing unit to collect and process high-level and more global cell resources, user distribution, channel quality, and other information, so as to implement more expensive collaboration scheduling and improve the overall resource utilization. On the one hand, centralized collaboration scheduling can generate more extensive grid cell collaboration rules based on big data information of user in the whole network and the AI algorithm. And it can also optimize comp algorithm by use more complete comp user time frequency resource pattern between cells. So it can improve diversity gain and edge throughput through comp, JR or JT, improve the user rate through comp, JT, joint transmission, through comp, CS or CB, joint beamforming, multi-cell interference information in fingerprint database is extracted to realize faster beam avoidance. On the other hand, centralized collaboration scheduling can globally analyze the interference information and the service situation between cells, and quickly coverage to form optimal solution through intelligent algorithm optimization, so as to achieve the centralized resource scheduling and accurately eliminate interference. Meanwhile, a centralized processing method provides a new soil for AI technology, combined with a wider range of network big data, user faster and trainable AI algorithm. It can improve the performance in all aspects, such as network energy efficiency improvement and network interference collaboration and automatic adjustment of network KPI, which provides a development direction for the comprehensive and sustainable improvement of 5G network performance in the future. Okay, finally, let's end today's speech with one sentence. 5G changes life and AI changes 5G. This is not only the vision, but also the direction of CICT's efforts. Thank you very much.